Hi everyone, welcome back. The journey of 100 days of this DevOps with AI tools. Yes, I hope so you have completed the day one agenda successfully. And now let's move into that day two, what we are going to look into that. Yes, in this day two, yes, the commands which we are going to learn it, that's from the Linux system. There's some system information commands. Yes, about that architecture information, about that the user's information. Yes, the basic system information commands, and as well as basic navigation commands, which we should know that. Yes, that is we are going to deal it in the day two agenda. So let me show us the forum links to access this day two agenda. Yeah, if you come to, if you come back to this Linux agenda section, yes, day one, which we were understanding how do we set up the Linux virtual machine. So using that VirtualBox and Vagrant. So now in the day two, yes, let's look into that. Some important the commands that before going to work with that the system we should know that the system information related and as well as some basic commands that you are going to learn it in this section. Yes, if you click on this day two section, yes, so there are the two videos that we have this agenda today. One is about that the system info and basic commands here. Yes, in this video, the which we are going to discuss about that the basic navigation commands. That's yes, how do we uh, go to this one directory to another directories and how you can use it, which directory you are in that, and as well as which user you are in that, and what about your host name, the system's host name, and as well as architecture of the system. Yes, those commands we are going to look into that. So in this first video, and with some more commands on that, how do we use the files and how do we creating a files and creating a directories, and how do we delete a directories and how do we delete a files. Yes, so all that, all those commands which are belong to that the Linux system, that's you are going to learn it from the first video. So this very the straightforward commands and very easy commands, and which have been explained comparing with that Windows operating system and with the Linux. Then you can easily understand it. And in the same day, yes, you need to do this like, we are going to deal with that, the one more, the section also, that is one of the important command, that is a list command. But just knowing that the list command is not enough. We have this different options of this the list. Yes, what are those different options? That's we are going to learn it in this video, and as well as it has been given the lab guides for it. Yeah, so in the Linux as the DevOps engineer, knowing that the command is not enough, so command with the important options which we should know is whenever we are writing the automation scripts, that is especially shell scripting. So if you know that the options with the commands, then we will be the very the good in writing the shell scripting. So that's why we focus on that, not just basic commands. Yes, commands with the options. Yes, that's you are going to have that ls command and with some more options. And not only that, how do you know that the file types and the file timestamps? Yes, this is the agenda which we are going to have it in this day two. Yeah, and as well as yes, in this day two with these two labs, and you need to complete that these four labs also on the basic navigation, and with that more or less head tail commands and path with ls options, and as well as file types and timestamps. So this is the agenda of this day two. Yeah, and if you'd like to enroll it, So for this course, yes, so in the description, we have shared this link and you can refer it and you can subscribe to this course. Thank you. That's all from this section. And we'll see this in the next the video, day 3 agenda. Thank you all.